Hi everyone. Do you remember the first time you had garlic? Garlic wasn't a big thing in my growing up years because I was from England and we came to a migrant hostel here in Australia and we could smell this amazing smell. And I'd never, as a 4-year-old, I'd never smelt it before because my parents didn't use garlic. And it was so amazing. My mum didn't start using garlic in her cooking though for another 4 years, and when she did, we all were in love with it. So it's a great antioxidant, and I'm sure it's got other health benefits, but I don't remember them right now. But what I'm going to show you today is I actually can't eat garlic raw. If I eat it raw, it repeats on me, gives me a sore belly. And so there are so many recipes like the harissa I'm going to show you tomorrow, like hummus and pesto, where garlic is really yummy in them, but I actually have to admit it. Or I can do this, I can boil it up. Of course, you can roast it or you can boil it. So a lot of my recipes in my blog at www.veets.com.au, because after all, I am Veet Karen from Veets Vegan Cooking School. A lot of the recipes in my blog call for boiled garlic, and what I do is I pop the full, it's not a clove, what's it called, the full bulb of garlic in water, boil it up, boil it for 5 minutes, and then it's fine. And I don't get the repetition, but we get the nice garlic flavor. And I'll just show you, I've got my garlic already boiled, it's cooled down, and then I can pop it in. And this garlic here, and this one here, I grew, it's my first garlic, but it's funny, it's only got one clove in the whole bowl, but this one's got 3. So I don't know what happened there. Any gardeners out there, can you let me know what I did wrong? Okay, anyway, it's still delicious. So that's it, boiled garlic, pop that in for people who can't digest it raw. Have a great day everyone, and please like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye!